right, YouTubes. We got to go look at a H.V.A.C. It's an old beater H.V.A.C. But they called me last night, said it's not making ice. So let's get out there and let's take a look, and we'll see what's going on with this thing. And I don't know about where you guys are at, but man, early season heat waves coming. And for here, I'm in that coastal climate, and 94 yesterday. And it's about 91, 92 today. We'll see. So yeah, some early season heat waves. But let's get over there and check out this ice maker and see what's going on. I think they said it was running water but not making ice, and it's an old timer. Let's see what's going on with it. Really ended up having was a broken tube. It was leaking, and then I broke it out the rest of the way. I went to the hardware store and got some tubing to make it work for now. Then you can order up the correct pieces and we'll see if it's making ice. Then I'll show you that. Pretty simple. All right, NorCal's tip of the day. I gotta wash some coils over here because it's hot, and there's no hose bib on the roof, and I don't have enough hose to go down to the ground. So I took the makeup air 3/8 compression fitting off, hooked up my braided hose I use for the ice makers, had a compression fitting to a flare fitting to a ball valve to a hose fitting. Whatever it takes. There's 10 million different ways you could probably do this. And this is the way that I did it so I can steal water up on the roof. NorCal's tip of the day. Get some fittings on your truck so you can hook up a garden hose. Level up. Oh, walk-in freezer, I'll fix you up. You're just a dirty little son of a gun. She's got a dead motor. The condenser fan motor puked. Let's get her fixed up.